What does F6 do in Outlook? F6 moves between Outlook windows and you can navigate in different parts of your Outlook application window very easily. Before diving in, first understand all the parts of Microsoft Outlook application. So first of all, if you look on the top left corner, there is a section which is known as navigation section. It consists of email windows, your calendar, your people, your to-do task. You can simply click and switch to any part of your Outlook application. Second is ribbon. It consists of all the tabs and functionalities which you can very easily change using your mouse, or there is a keyboard shortcut which is Alt. The third section is folder pan. It consists of all the email addresses you added, and every email address consists of different folders. The fourth section is very important, the main section, in which you can very easily find out your email or your list of emails. The fifth section is reading pan. When you click on your email, the reading pan expand or open that email, and you can very easily check out your email from this section. And the last section is status bar. If you look clearly, there is a small narrow line on the bottom of the screen, which consists of your size, your items, your read unread data, or you can also check whether your Outlook is connected or not. And there is few other options. You can zoom or zoom out very easily from here. So F6 key is designed to switch between all the sections without using your mouse. If you use F6 key, you can see when I click F6 and my cursor automatically move to that ribbon section. When I again click on F6, I am on the navigation section. When I again click on F6, I am on the folder pane. When I again click on F6, I am on the main screen of my list of emails. When I again click F6, I am on the reading pane. And again, when I click F6, I am on the status bar. You can also use tab along with up and down and right and left key to move your cursor in the specific area. F6 key is very important key, and you must always try to use Microsoft Outlook with your shortcut key, which is F6. If you are interested to learn all the keyboard shortcuts you can navigate your Microsoft Outlook, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.